So hello everyone. Today we are going to see about the topic of case study on 6's methodology. As we seen in the last class, which is comes for 5's methodology. So today we are to see about the topic which is called 6's methodology. So this method is we have already seen is first sort, set in order, assign, sustain, and standardize in English. They followed by Japanese Sairi, Saitan, Saiso, Seitsuge, Sitsuge. So this 6S method is supplemented with security of the 5S. The goal of 5S is eliminating the waste in the workplace. It is the base of lean manufacturing, and the idea is that after the implementation of 5S, it should comes in the workplace. First is sorting. This is the separation of individual item that's are essential to workspace to perform operations and add the value of the product from of those who have to moved and those have to be removed in the workspace. This steps uses for record of the marking area and items which with each item being entered in the job card to determine how the item is to be handled. All items found in the workspace can be rated by certain frequency of uses. Second one is Shaitan, which is comes under the standardization, systemization. Once you have everything sorted, unnecessary items were removed. We organize the items so that we have them at the hand. While it is important to have everything thoroughly labeled and clear visible, like mapping and labels strategy, like coding strategy and lighting strategy, like red is for this, yellow is for this, and green is for this. So this is comes under the Saitan. Then followed by third one is Saiso, which is called cleaning process. The workplace is cleaned with all equipments, machines, tools, instruments, preparations to get into the clean condition. This condition will be further maintained by the workspace by regular cleaning. At example, at the beginning of workspace divided into two zones, like territories and sections with respect to activities to be carried out in the workspace. A responsible worker is then assigned a specific part of the workspace and carries out of the cleaning. Then followed by Seikitsu. Seikitsu, which comes under standardization. This is principle about keeping the company continuously and repeatedly ready and clean. The emphasis is on visual management and standardization of the 6S methodology. Innovation and comprehension visual managements are used to achieve the goal of the standard. Like first one is decide to who is responsible for which activities with respect to maintain for the previous 3 years. Then followed by the prevent organization of maintenance duties in the previous 3 years into workspace and activities of the regression again. Then followed by check how well the process continues in the first three phases. Then fifth one is which is concerned self-discipline. It is about the ensuring the improved condition of the workspace does not revert to the original state. This means that all activities in the step will be directed towards compliance with the standard set. Phrases in Japan, workers adhere to the agreed activities without any control or any conditions. Control is nevertheless necessary. The best control is when workers check the part each and everything day workspace. However, in addition of workers by checking a foreman is a appropriate and offense necessary. The following points are to be carried out in the cell technique. First one is worker check in the each other. Then second one is checking between shift. Then third one is control through the use of control card, like activity card, carried out card, red card, etc. The by means of regular audit carried out by the independent or dependent by the professionals. Then followed by the sixth stage, which is new, which is called safety. Yes, safety. In this step, it is important to focus on eliminating the risks of hazards and creating safe environment to the workers or workspace or working area. It has been organized well and cleaned. Potential hazards are easily recognized. Not at all times or hazards can be eliminated, but their impact of the workers prevented by someone. It is therefore important to establish a standard for safe workplace behavior. The standards includes how workers should dress the workplace, like including visitors or co-workers or partners, etc. What are the principles of workplace behavior and what are the prohibited activities? So these are all combined should achieve the good workplace and safety workplace of the organization. So this is the overall package of 6x methodology, 6s methodology. So with we implementing this area, this 6s, we have achieved lot of things and achieved more quality of the product and more times to produce a product, like increasing the products. So this is overall package of 6s.